How to fix can't create recovery drive issue on Windows. 1. Disable or remove the problematic software after clean booting your Windows. 2. Disable your antivirus. 3. Use third-party solutions. 4. Disable secure boot in BIOS, temporarily. 5. Disable certain services from running: Application Virtualization Client, Client Virtualization Handler and Application Virtualization Service Agent. 6. Try using a larger USB flash drive. 7. Use diskpart command. Commands include: diskpart list volume select volume x detail volume select disk x select partition x exit reagent c/3 image path globalrot device hard disk. Spartition y recovery windows r reagent c/enable reagent c/info a. Remove windows.old. Convert your drive to FAT32. 10. Check and repair system files corruption. Commands include: sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism online/cleanup image/restore health 11. Scan for a computer virus with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 12. Create a bootable USB drive, clone your computer and save it to a USB HDD. 13.
create the recovery environment via command prompt. Commands include, reagent C/disable reagent C/3 image /path / global root / device / hard disk 0 / partition 1 / recovery / Windows RE reagent C/enable restart your PC. 14. Recover the winrar.wim file, if you can.